Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about Islamic terrorism and massacre in Burkina Faso. Let's start. Our today's question is: global powers should not stay away from the growing threat posed by Islamists in Africa. We have to discuss it. First of all, we need to discuss about it. Means what are the reason behind terrorism, and then what are the measures we need to taken, and what are the effects of terrorism and why it was in news. Its significance is that question can be asked in GS paper 2 under the headings of terrorism, regional groupings, global groupings, and global powers and organizations. Then our introduction would be, this is the quotation you can use: peace is the only way for survival of humanity. Then definition of Islamic terrorism. Islamic terrorism refers to terrorist acts against civilians committed by violent Islamists who have a religious motivation, like Islamic State, Boko Haram, Al Qaeda. These are Islamic organizations, terrorist organizations. Terrorism on the African continent has been rising sharply over the decade, and recently 200 plus civilians died in Burkina Faso in bomb attack which was sponsored by Islamists. Global powers should come into the picture because as a global power it is their responsibility to tackle terrorism. What are the reasons behind terrorism? Due to poverty, inequality, unemployment, and lack of education. Then lack of development and instability in political and economic powers. Then some government policies are also reasons behind terrorism. Then military influences. Then poor law and order. What are the impacts of terrorism? It increasing terror attacks, cause of so many innocent people's life, including women's and children's. Then trauma and victimological perspective in vulnerable people. Then it was so also threat to the concept of world peace in the world. Then decrease investment, infrastructure, education, tourism, and trade. Then it increase fear among people and loss of resources and economy too. It also making Africa most respectable to become first and least developed among all continents. Then what are the steps we need to take to tackle terrorism with global organizations and global powers? Need to define terrorism clearly. Terrorist financing is the root of terrorism. So global powers and FATF, Financial Action Task Force, need to control over it. All countries need to coordinate to tackle terrorism. UN need to take strict actions against terrorism and also use peacekeeping force. Then leaders of African continent must adopt suitable counter-insurgency strategies. Conclusion would be, terrorism is not only a violent activity and problem of one country because it attacks on social, cultural and economic basis of a country. So to counter terrorism from the world, global powers must need to came in front to resolve those kind of activities to save people's life with peace and lead a prosperous life. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.